So I'm going to demonstrate how to replicate your questions from one section to the remediation section without having to retype them. So here's question one, and then I'm going to scroll down, and here's and here's section 6, which is my remediation or my question 1 review. The idea is that once the student is able to look at the picture and try to answer the question 1 correctly, that the question should be visible to them to answer again. So I'm going to go to the top here. And what I'm going to do is, as you can see, there's nothing up there but the question. Once I click in the box, all of my settings show up. And on the bottom here, you have two pictures. That's the duplicate little picture there. I'm going to click that. And as you can see, what happened was it already duplicated this question for me right here. I'm going to, where those 6 little dots are, I'm going to click. You see the cross arrows? And hold it and drag it down to section 6. Now, I want it to go right under section 6. So I'm going to leave it. That's all I've got to touch it. Here we go. All right. And that didn't work. Let's go up one more. Hold it. That didn't work good. There we go. Section 1. There we go. So it's a little bit of a play job to make sure you get it in the right spot. I had to play with it a little. So now my students are going to be able to look at the remediation activity and take the test again. But we still have to make one more change, because in the conditional formatting, we told them that if they got the answer right, to go to the next section. And the next section after 6 is section 7. And in essence, you want them to go to section 2 on the top here for the next question. So we're going to go back down here, and if the answer is correct, we're going to tell them to go to section 2. Always make sure that when you drag the original question down, that you keep in mind that you have to change the original formatting for the student to make sure they go back to the correct question, which would be the next question in order.